Hey everyone, this is the official Cookers After Sales Service channel, and I will demonstrate how to install our product, the Kisses One, as a 3-tier stuffed animal storage. Please aware that there's another 2 ways to use this product, which is 2 tiers storage and wall-mounted bookshelf.
This is exactly how it shows in the instruction.
This is a plank A, and this is a plank B. This is screw S3, and we need 2 of them. And this is the plank C. For sure, we also need 4 of the screw. And now we need the plank D and 2 of the plank E. We also need 4 of the screw S3. Every time I say S3, it's like the short screw. We need 1 of plank D and 2 of plank F. Basically, we just repeat the step 3 instead of using E, but F. And now we need the plank of G and the plank of H with a 2 hole on the side. Of course, 2 of the screw. Now we are going to secure the assemble parts together. Now let's attach the elastic rope to this part. Be aware that we are using the rope of P, which is a 2 meters rope, to finish this step. Now let's grab the modular and attach the plank of L with the modular by using the large size screw, which is S4 in the instruction. Here we go. Insert the screw tip into the plank of J. And we need to do that twice for 2 plank of J. 8 of S2, which is a very tiny screw. Secure the assembled part from previous two steps.
Use a large screw and be careful to hold it tight. Otherwise, it's gonna move left and right and it's kind of annoying.
And also make sure the ring is facing inwards. We need 2 plank of K, 4 wheels, and a 4 screw of S1.
Make sure that we need to make a two-way check. That is, there's no gap in here, and then we use a screw. And use a screwdriver, make it tight. And do the same thing with another side, and you can get that.
If you want it to look more elegant, please have the side facing inward.
So we use the screw here, and that one. Grab what you get before with a new guy. So large, the long screw. Here. Follow the instruction step 1 to 7 exactly the same way. You can get another part. And we will finally put all the things together. Use the 8 long screw. Okay.
Final step. Tie the 2 4-meter long ropes to the storage shelf. Both sides use 4-meter ropes. Once tied, the installation is complete. This is the primary assembly method for Kisses 1, a 3-tier stuffed animal storage shelf. For the other 2 installation methods, wall-mounted bookshelf and 2-tier storage shelf, you can check the video on my channel or the pinned link in the comment sections. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one.